Let's follow the step on how to layered text effect like this. First, make black background. Lock layer 1 and add a new layers. Insert the text. Change this to white color. Right-click and create outlines. Go to Pathfinder and click Unite. Make black rectangle. Right-click and send to back. Selection, click, set align center. Fix this. Right-click and group. Set align center. Press Ctrl C. Right-click, transform, and move. Fill horizontal 0 and vertical -200. Copy. Set opacity to 0. Selection, right-click, and send to back. Selection, object. Blend, make. Go to blend option. Set to specific step and I fill 6. Go to edit and click paste in front. Right-click, transform, and move. Fill vertical 200. Copy. Set opacity to 0. Right-click, arrange, and send to back. Select this, go to Object, Blend, and Make. Go to Blend option and set same as before. Finish. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.